Welcome back to this video. If you have been importing products from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this trick I'm about to show you on how to simply delete saved items from your favorite list on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Style Bar, or Pinduoduo, or Idle Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 sourcing product from China. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply delete saved items from favorite list on your 1688 shopping app. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 shopping app. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then it's going to take you to all the products you have in your favorite list. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then select as many as possible products you would like to delete from your favorite list. So I'm going to remove this and this. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It's as simple as that. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Perfect. For more tutorial tips and perfect, you are done. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China with 1688, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.